batch na to, sila yung talagang isa sa naging malaking batch ng IS. So, sa kanila din nag-reflect yung success ng mga pagsisikap namin to improve the curriculum, the quality of teaching.
Batang-bata ka pa at marami ka pang kailangang malaman at intindihin sa mundo.
I'm really proud to say that when they finish their course, I cannot say naman it's a flying color. But we are very sure that those students who pass really deserve them to pass. And besides, I could say that all those students are already competent.
Bata ka lang at akala mo na alam mo na ang lahat ng kailangan mong malaman. Buhay ay di ganyan.
First and foremost, congratulations for getting this far. And I wish you all the luck and the best in the world as you go on or as you proceed with another phase of your life, which is the work life.
Ganyan talaga ang buhay, lagi kang nasasabihan, pagkat ikaw ay bata at wala pang nalala.
Well, I like this batch because they are flexible. They can easily adjust and adapt to different situations. They are sensitive. They were able to get along with each other.
I'll always remember the casual encounters I have with this batch. Sa corridor, sa baba, pagbabawal ko sa hikaw, sa may kulay na buhok, pag-warn ko sa kanila to eat sa street, yung pag-eat ng mga street foods, and also pag-smoke, pag-luloko ko sa kanila sa giant, pag pumapasok ako, din binibiro ko sa kanila, sinasabi ko, radio, kasi alam ko dun sila nagpupwentuhan about their teachers.
Kahit bata pa man, nais ko sanang malaman ang sa katotohanan, sariling paglaranas, ang aking pamamagitan, inulat ang isipan sa mga kulay ng buhay, habang tunay na malaya sa tanging mata.
To all future hotelier and restaurateurs, good luck and make it the best. I hope you will apply all the principles you have learned in culinary. Thank you.
Things para sa inyong lahat. And for all of you, I wish you all the best. And I hope that makamit nyo yung mga goals niyo sa buhay. Congratulations.
Batang-bata ka pa at marami ka pang kailangang malaman at intindihin sa nais ko sanang malaman ang mali sa katotohanan. Batang-bata ka lang at alam mo na ang lahat ng kailangan mong malaman. Nais ko sanang malaman ang mali sa katotohanan. Nagkamali ka kung akala mo na ang buhay ay isang...
Congratulations, graduates, class 2007. I'm your friendly guidance counselor, diba? Agree or disagree? Anyway, I'm so proud of you. Your hardship, your diligence had paid off. You are now moving into higher grounds. keep going and growing. But remember, the Creator in the days of your need. God bless you. I love you.
Batang-bata ka pa, batang-bata ka pa, batang-bata